National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Brown County and northeastern
Severe
South
thunderstorm
Dakota
warnings,
until
first one of the year.
3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen, moving
Near
northwest
us.
at
Oh my
25 miles
gosh.
per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail.
Great.
Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Aberdeen around 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
It's already hitting us
Other
right now.
locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Westport and Richmond Lake Rec area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Brown, South Dakota.
Okay, so we just got under a severe thunderstorm warning. This is our first one. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like right now. This is currently what it's looking like. It's just outside of town right now, and it's just starting to pour. So that's pretty much it. This is the first severe thunderstorm warning we've gotten since last year around October. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video and see you guys later.